What's that?
This one right here, is this the same thing, or it's just these are just ones that don't make any noise?
Yeah, probably a little bit. It's just not as large as the one. Hey everyone, we're at Phantom Fireworks Stand here in Newark, picking up the last goods here, of course, at Phantom. So Illuminati is one of them that we got. Dude, this stand is pretty packed. Do you care? Do you mind if I record in here?
I'm sorry?
Do you guys care if I put you on YouTube? No matter to you? All right. This nice gentleman here just sold the fireworks. Yeah, very packed. Very packed here. And it's been busy too. Perfect. Yeah, I have a channel on YouTube. Yeah. Just California Safe and Sane fireworks. So
you want that one?
Yes.
all right, thank you. All right, cool. Thank you. All right, you guys, that was a short video. We'll get back to you later.